Ilan ko mga sticker. Na. Mga dolls. Small dolls. Ah. Ay. Lah, mga bus. Galuto mo, bus. Buang gini siya. Doon. Tayo gini doon. Lagi juk. Sige go. Yes. Yes girl. Yes way. Yes way. Ha? Wala si Mikaela kay papabidyo daw siya. Papabidyo daw Mikaela. Ah. Dito ka na sa dagat eh, walang way ka sa.
Strengthening our teamwork, building stronger relationship, and learning valuable lessons that we can apply to our daily work. Agree?
Ah.
Pakpak sa noy!
Pakpak mga binayran.
Ipagutom na.
After sa speech, Mr. George, is nasa atong t-shirt, teamwork, passion, unstoppable daily success. Okay, let's begin to our prayer. Si Hana? O yun sa nakang guest? Ay, grabe. Sige na yun, gutom na kayo. Si Hana? Naaraw di ay requested by the asawa.
Uy, nag-prayer na siya saan?
Okay, barog. I-bless ang food, guys.
Eh.
Put your hand in the food.
Lord, thank you karon adlaw Lord, thank you sa safe na mo na pag-abot diri, thank you sa pagkaon, thank you sa good health. Lord, hope na kanila sa building malampuso di og mangulit mi unya na happy og daghang memories. Amen. Amen.
Okay. Without further ado, before ka nakakaanak sa matagag masibang takpak ang atong team leader, to formally welcome everyone to today's activity. May I call our team leader, Mr. George Zanagto.
Team, may utto sa tundanan. Guys, medyo nagkagaytawa.
Sige sir, wala kami paki sa nararamdaman nila.
So, team kanang thank you kay katantanan ba atong presence kay Natri, and then sa especially sa mga team members na nato last especially Russell. So thank you Russ. And then sa asawa sa ni Harold, ma'am, thank you ma'am sa iyong pagkabiran. And then kay EG, thank you. At least napuno ka sa team. And then team, thank you sa inyong contribution as a part sa team. And then unta, kanina team is dili lang karon nga mag team building. And then utla sa maabot pa na may party ta as a team. And then unta kanisan nga team is magpalampusod hantod sa dili lang ng December. And then kuan ko unta i-bless karon adlaw and then sa sunod pang adlaw sa mga maabot. Team, thank you sa inyong tanan. Ora. And then atong team building is officially open.
Okay, thank you, and let's
Guys, thank you sa inyo, Ate Ma. Steam, dapat isa ni guys. Steam, dapat hatag.
In the month of April. Wala na guys! Okay. Certification to excel during the month of March 2026 as a valued member of the Buwan Media Corporation team. Your contribution are vital to our success. Ramos and Isidro Jr.
Loh, gra.
Wala ba kayong mga paa? Ada na yung warning award.
Wala ba kayong mga?
Warning award.
Okay.
Pakpak mo guys.
Enrico. Now I meet Kyla.
Yay!
Good.
Okay, certificate of recognition of your outstanding performance and success. Mary Carla Charles T.
Ay, giting. Sunod ako ano sa lako. Unya na. Hey.
Okay. And recognition of your perfect attendance during the month of April 2026, success and productivity of the team, Kalunod Elgin May G.
Total spotted.
Kaya lagi na mapiplit niya.
Wala na picture.
Screenshot na lang niya eh. Okay na?
Certification of recognition, perfect attendance
Okay na, para go na kayo.
during the month of May 2026, your productivity team, Curtis Christopher Jr. Okay na?
Inginan ko to yan.
Certificate of recognition, perfect attendance also. And productivity of the team, Anyano Jefferson. Oh, wala ba kayong mga paa? Okay, let's go.
So, team, nakapay na to. Tulo ka, nagano ka ng achievement award. Dahil makapredict, commitment excellence during the month of January to May 2026. As a member of One Media Incorporated, team, your contribution are vital to our success. Certificate of Recognition, Outstanding Achievement Award. This certificate is presented to Cortez Christopher Jr. I. Nakailot ha? In recognition of your consistent inclusion among the top 5 performers, your dedication, excellence, sustain my performance have significantly contribute to success at the One Media Incorporated. For to recognize your outstanding achievement and commitment to excellence. Certificate of Recognition Top Performer Award. This certificate is presented to Milicario Charles T. Okay, last team. In recognition of your standing dedication, determination, and consistent achievement of performance target for 3 consecutive months Your commitment to excellence and sustained results and deliver to the mission to the success of One Media Incorporated. Certificate of Recognition, Outstanding Achievement Award. This certificate is presented to Lafranco Jeremy M. Hey, Dim, ito na yung mga certificate. Please ko guys, picture na yun rin.
Okay, play. 1, 2, 3, smile. Kaplik lah tu. Kaplik lah ni.
Game check guys, nakataga ng utanan is bisa mo si ba ni para ni sa team. Although gamay na siya guys ha. At least basi makapuro na siya itagay. Bisa mo receive. Jones na lang. Si Jones na ako siguro.
Pahit ka nun ba?
Jones. Okay, team, guys, thank you sa inyong pagharitanan ha. And then, karon kay Juan, makaligot ang tanan. And then, hopefully, ugma, bunal na saan. So, team, thank you sa inyong tanan. And then, labi na siyang pagka-copy ng TV. And then, punta, mag-achieve pa ta, ibog team ha. So, guys, bless.
Duty sa kasimana yan!
Aaron, di ba? Si Aaron, si Aaron. Yes! Moment!